Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you about top 5 interview questions and answers because everyone prepare for the interview before going to the interview. So if interviewer asks any question, so we have to give them satisfactory answer. Okay, so today in this video I am going to tell you about top 5 interview questions and their answer. So let's start. The first question is, tell me about yourself. This is the topmost interview question because interviewer want to know that how you can describe yourself. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you what are the point you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. Okay, so let's see the point. The first point should be you have to start with your name. Second, give your place information, that where are you from, where are you staying currently. Okay, next is education, but in short. After you have told your name and place, then you have to describe your education, but in short. Okay, next is if you have job experience, you can explain it. Okay, finally, if you want to share your hobbies, so you can share. So these 5 points should be included while giving such kind of answer. Okay, so let's see the example that how I can answer to such kind of question. Okay, before starting the introduction, first of all we will say thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. Then you should give your introduction. For example, I am Akshay Singh and I am from Uttarakhand, but currently I am staying in New Delhi with my family, and I completed my BHM from IHM Mumbai, and I have 3 years experience. Now I would like to talk about my hobbies. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, cooking or swimming. These are my free time hobbies, and I want to become a professional chef in my life. That's all about me. Introduction is done. Another thing to keep in mind is that your introduction should be done within 2 and 3 minutes. Don't take too much time. Okay, so let's go move to the second question now. Second question is, why do you want to work at our company? Because many interviewer ask in interview in such kind of question because they want to know, okay, why are you interested, what is the reason behind it. So first of all I'll tell you what are the point you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. So let's see the point. First point is, tell them what you like about company. Number 2, relate it your long term career goals. Okay, these 2 points should be included while giving such kind of answer. So let's see the example that how I can answer to such kind of questions. Okay, for example, sir, it is a great privilege for anyone to work in a reputed company like you are. When I read about your company, I found that my skills are matching in a requirement where I can showcase my technical skills to contribute to the company growth. So in this such way you can answer to such kind of question. Okay. Now let's move to the third question. What are your strengths? This is also very common question. So first of all I'll tell you what are the points you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. So let's see the points. First point is adaptability. Number 2, hardworking. Number third point is honest. Number 5 point is flexibility. Number 6 point is optimistic. Number 7 point is fast decision making. Number 7 is persistence. Number 8 is self motivated. So these all points you should include it while giving answer to such kind of questions. Okay, so let's see the example that how I can answer to such kind of question. Okay, so let's see the example. Sir, I am an honest, self-motivated and hard-working boy with positive attitude towards my career and my life. Okay, so I have used just 3 to 4 points. So you can give answer to this kind of way. So let's move to the fourth question now. Fourth question is, what are your weakness? This is also very common question. So first of all I'll tell you what are the point you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. So let's see the points. First point is straightforward. Number 2, impatient. Number 3, sensitive. Number 4, more talkative. Number 5, trust people very quickly. Number 6, I can't say no when someone asks for help. Number 7, take decision very quickly. Number 8, gets nervous when talk to strangers. Number 9 is to speak to lie, difficult for me. Number 10 and last, I am a bit lazy, about which I am not interested. So these all point you should include while giving answer to such kind of question. So let's see the example that how I can answer to such kind of question. So let's see the example. I can't say no when someone asks for help, and I am a bit lazy about which I'm not interested. So in this way you can give answer to such kind of question. And one thing is always remember that never include more than 3 to 4 weaknesses. Okay, so let's move to the next question now. Okay, why should I hire you? This is very important question. So first of all, I'll tell you what are the point you should include while giving answer to such kind of questions. Okay, so let's see the first point is share your knowledge. Whatever knowledge you have, share with interviewer because it's very important. Okay, number 2 point is work experience. This is also very important point because it increases the chances of selection. Okay, next is skills related to job, and last fourth is career goal. So this 4 point should be included while giving such kind of answer. Okay, so let's see the example for this question. I'll give you 2 example. First example for fresher, second example for experienced person. So let's see first example for fresher. Okay, sir, as I am a fresher, I have theoretical knowledge, but I can do hard work for my organization, and I will put my all effort for the good progress of organization. Being punctual and sincere, I can finish the work given to me on time and try my best to fulfill all the needs of company from me. Okay, so you can give this kind of answer in a simple way. Okay, next example for experienced person. So let's see. With my work experience, I satisfy all the requirement for this job. I am sincere with my work and I would never let you down in anywhere. I promise you will never regret for the decision to appoint me in your organization. Okay, so in this short way you can answer to such kind of questions. Hope you understand. Okay, now let's move to the last question. The last question is, what are your career goal? Because you should know what's your career goal, what you want to achieve in your upcoming life. Okay, so first of all I'll tell you 2 points. First is short term goal, second point is long term goal. So these 2 points should be included while giving such kind of answer. Okay, so let's see the example. My short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company where I can utilize my skills and improve my career path. My long term goal is to be in respectable position in that organization. So in this way you can give answer to such kind of questions. Hope guys you understand. Okay, so all these question and answers will be help you in the interview. So thank you so much.